We just booked Braden's dream gig. We're so excited to tell you about a gig we have coming up on August 9th, but I'm going to let Braden tell y'all where it's going to be and what we're going to be doing.
Hey everybody, this is Braden with Summer and Bray. Just letting you know we're excited to be coming to the Toledo Jeep Fest and join us at 12 for the welcome party on August 9th.
Everybody needs a day off, fake a cough, and follow me.
I've been begging Braden for almost 2 years now to take me on a trail ride in his Jeep. Do you think he's taken me yet? No.
So my sister Summer always begs me to go on a trail ride, but I don't want to go on a trail ride with her because it's just weird, you know? Like, I'm not with my bros, but I guess I'm finally going to try to take her today. Maybe I can scare her away from it.
So today we're doing one of Braden's favorite activities. Bray, what are we doing?
We're trail riding.
Going on a trail ride. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna go on up through the woods, I guess. Oh gosh, that was a holly branch. Ah!
Probably shouldn't take the doors off.
Yeah, we definitely shouldn't have taken the doors off.
It's alright. It keeps my doors.
Ah!
It keeps the doors from getting scratched.
Oh, a tree branch!
Dude, you see all that dust come off of them?
Oh my gosh, it's pollen. We're not gonna be able to breathe.
There's a down tree already.
Oh,
Are you
man.
serious?
Ow! God.
Seriously?
Come on. Oh!
We'll find a way around.
Oh.
I hope we don't run out of gas.
Braden, if we run out of gas up here on top of this mountain.
I've got enough supplies. Nope, I don't. I took them out.
Oh my
I have a tent though. There's a tent up here. We can make
We're not camping up here.
We'll eat bugs and. Wow, there's a lot of trees down right there. Well, Summer, we're gonna have to.
Okay, that's briars. Ah! Ah! Stop! Ow! Ow! Oh!
Okay.
My!
We're gonna have to
gosh.
turn around.
Oh, there's briars sticking up in my leg.
Did you get them out?
Ow!
You get them out?
Oh!
I gotta turn around.
Braden, ow! Don't move. Ow! Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Okay.
I think we're gonna get a weird spider bite before we get through.
Yeah, because that spider's still crawling.
Alright,
Oh,
we got a tree down.
there's a tick! There's 2 ticks!
Get 'em off
There's
of
3 ticks! Right, there's 3 ticks. Ah! Why?
Get 'em off.
Who does this for fun? My legs were bleeding. I had ticks all over me. And tree branches kept swatting me in the face. Yeah, you can go that way a little bit. You're good now. Yeah, now turn it back towards me.
Didn't we write a song about not being afraid of the wildlands?
Yeah, we did write a song about not being afraid.
I don't think it applies to all situations.
It doesn't apply to briars.
Ow. Or ticks.
Or ticks, or spiders.
Yeah, definitely not spider. I thought we were gonna take a little easy trail ride.
He was gonna take me on an easy one.
That first trail ride we were going on was an easy trail, but there was a tree down. So we did a little improvising, and I'm not gonna lie, it got a little bit scary. But it was fun though. We're alive. We're good.
So maybe we scared Summer good enough where she won't ask me to go again.
Seriously?
Oh!
We'll find a way around.
Oh.
I hope we don't run out of gas.
Braden, if we run out of gas up here on top of this mountain.
I've got enough supplies. Nope, I don't. I took them out.
Oh my
I have a tent
gosh.
though. There's a tent up here. We can